Hey tech fans, today I'm cutting through the noise on the Ubiquiti Unify Dream Router 5G Max, aka the UDR 5G Max. Is this the future of home networking, or is it just another overpriced gadget hoping to cash in on the 5G craze? Let's get straight to it. The UDR 5G Max is not a scam. It's legit, launched late last year, and yes, it's been making waves, mostly because it's packing a ton under the hood. So what's the big deal? First, it's basically the Dream Router 7 and the Unify 5G Max modem mashed together, retailing for around $499. Pricey, right? But you get Wi-Fi 7, so you're future-proofed for all your new devices. Plus, there's a built-in 5G modem with 2 nano SIM slots and support for eSIM. That means if your main internet goes down, you instantly switch to cellular. No downtime. For performance nerds, you get a 10 Gbps SFP Plus port, and as a router, it's rocking up to 2.5 Gbps. With security features on, you're still hitting 2.3 Gbps. Turn those off, and you might even see real-world WAN speeds close to 3 Gbps. Not bad. It also runs the full Unify suite, including Unify Protect for your security cams and Unify Access. There's a slick color touchscreen, an LED ring you can customize, and it even comes with 64 GB of microSD storage, so you can expand for surveillance footage. But here's what you need to know before you drop $500. Pros? It's all in one, no separate modem, no mess. Failover to 5G is instant. And Wi-Fi 7? You're ready for tomorrow. Cons? It's pricey, way more than the Dream Router 7. And if your 5G signal is weak, you're stuck. No ports for external antennas. And you can't just put the modem by a window unless you move the whole router. Bottom line, if you demand rock-solid redundant internet, or you're running a small office, the UDR 5G Max is a powerhouse. But if your place has spotty cellular, maybe stick with a separate 5G Max modem you can move around.